welcome back to my channel. This is a awesome YouTube hop for, I gotta look, it's for Brianna. It will be for Brianna, not sure how to say her last name, but her YouTube channel is Love My Life on Paper, and I will link everything down below. It is a YouTube hop, so we are celebrating that she hit 500 subscribers, and she also did the sketch for Christy's Beautiful Life of 30 days of sketches, which essentially is 31 days because it's in for Halloween, or I mean for October. And if you are in the United States or celebrate Halloween at all, today is October 31st, so happy Halloween if you do. I am staying true to my nature, and these are photos of Asher back when we were still living on post, and it was the first time that I put like a outfit on him for Halloween. And so that is what that is. I am using an old Close to My Heart collection that is no longer available. I'm trying to use up some of this older stuff. And then I did pull in Color Cast Designs, the collection that I used on another layout that I kind of cheated on when I used it a couple of them ago. These are the little bits that are left of it, and I want to use them on my collection as well. So that is all of that stuff. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. If you are coming from any of the other ones, welcome. I am so glad to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations, design teams, all of the fun stuff. I am also a Close to My Heart consultant. All of my links and everything will be down below. And if you are part of my channel and have never heard of Brianna from Love My Life on Paper, go check her out along with everybody down below and give them a like and subscribe. Now let's see what I can do. Okay, so like I said, I am using Brianna's sketch for the month of October, and it is up there in the corner. And I am using one of the really old collections of Close to My Heart. Golly, I can't even remember. I think this is like 3 times ago. I think maybe. And then I got out just to give it so that there's a little bit more of a dimension between the cut file and the background paper for this collection. I got out Sugar Plum, which was a color of the year a couple years ago for Close to My Heart. And I'm using one of my distress tools. So when you're using your ink pads, you can also do this. It just all depends on how you want it to look. Now with this, it does seep into the paper, but it doesn't make it like warp or any of that sort when you are doing this with the distress, you know, trying to distress it, I guess, or blending it onto the page. And I just wanted it just to be a little bit different. I didn't add anything else to my background, except for when I come to the very end, you will see that I will pull out some mixed media that is gold that are from Shimmer's Paints. I placed some foam tape onto my cut file. My cut file is from Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. I will link it down below. It is Frames 2, I think is what it's called. And I'll link that down below. I will also link everybody that is along with this hop. That will be linked down below. So if you are coming from one of those ladies or one of the other ladies from the hop that is new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. And if you are, make sure that if you're on my channel and have never checked out Brianna, go check her out in her channel. That will be linked down below as well. I did decide to do like 3 or 4 different layers, I think, of the paper. And then I am actually done with this collection. It's too hard to match up those pinks and stuff because they've went with a really different tone lately with the colors for Halloween. So I am like officially done with this one. I am super excited for that. When I can clear out something out of my stash, that's that's when I feel like I've accomplished something. I am placing my photos right there down on the bottom so that I can be able to come in and do different types of embellishments. Now, I did get out another, I'm trying to use up all of the bulk of this collection just so that I can say, okay, I can throw away the stickers and all of that too. And so that's what I'm going to try to do for sure. Now, with the, obviously with the color cast designs, that's something I just wanted to get out of my stash so that I can try to not have as many, even though I am with 1, 2, 3 bins. I've got bins that I use color cast designs for, and I am at 3 now. One of them is for my Christmas ones, but yeah. So here I am placing down the cauldron, and I'm like putting candy in it. And then it says, eat, drink, and be scary. I figured Asher eats, Asher drinks, and then, you know, his facial expression right here in these photos, because I know he hates wearing this stuff, because I can't get him to keep anything on him. He will bury it off. He doesn't like sleeping under the covers. He doesn't like a blanket over him, nothing. So I know that he's mad at this. So it worked out pretty well to be like scary, because his face says it all. So you'll see me how I place my ghost here, because I wanted to play off of those, and I really like them. They're super cute. And then I do place the word EEK right there on that little bin, and then I do place the spider web like right by it. It fits in there really nicely with one of the little web things sticking out. And then I place this arrow. Now make sure that you guys, if you guys are watching this before Halloween or like before you go trick-or-treating, I hope that everybody stays safe, all of that fun stuff, because this is done on Halloween. And, you know, autumn season is like my favorite. I do have to say Halloween, it is what it is. Like, I like to see the kids and all that, but autumn season in general is one of my favorites. But I'd have to say, if I talk about holidays, Christmas is. But anyway, just know that you guys all stay safe. Have a wonderful evening as well. So here I come in with the gold splatters. I wanted that on there. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. The still shots are definitely coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.